Hope you all must be fine, children. Children, today we are going to take a journey in the world of communication. You all know that communication plays a very important part in our life. Isn't it, children? See, children, communication is a process through which people exchange messages, thoughts, information, and ideas with each other. The means of communication have developed a lot and have brought the people of the world very close to each other. Now, there is a need of communication. Why do we need communication? To stay in touch with our relatives, to express ourselves, to update ourselves. So, for that, there are many different types of communications. Communications are basically of two types: personal communication and mass communication. Children, what is personal communication? When a person communicates with his family members, other relatives, and friends, it is known as personal communication. A communication may be written through letters, telegrams, faxes, email, Facebook, or it can be verbal. It can be through telephone also. Now, see, postal system. The postal system is the most common method of communication. Letters are the most popular means of sending messages, postcards, inland letters, and envelopes. Stamped envelopes are available at the post office. Aerograms are used to send mail to foreign countries. A PIN code or postal index number is important to ensure that the letter reaches the correct address. Now, next is the telephone. The telephone is the fastest and the most common way of two-way means of communication. We can easily talk to a person living at far off places with the help of a telephone. They help us to communicate with friends, relatives, and others. We can directly call up any place within the country or abroad using STD and ISD facility. Now, mass communication. Sometimes we require to communicate with many people or a large number of people at the same time, and this is known as mass communication. Mass communication can be done through radio, television, and newspaper. Radio, newspaper, and magazines, these all come in print media. News, they provide news and information about events from all parts of the world. A large number of newspapers and magazines are printed in our country. And now e-books or e-magazines are also available in the digital form on the internet. Do you know, children? Gujarati Daily, Bombay Samachar is the oldest existing newspaper in India, and it was started in 1882. And the highest number of newspapers published in India are in Hindi. Now, electronic media, radio and television. Radio broadcast audio programs. The radio gives us the latest news and other information on various sports, speeches, discussion, educational lessons, and entertainment programs. And television, television performs the same task as a radio but shows pictures also. We can see what is happening in any part of the world. So today, these two devices have become an important device to educate the people about important issues. And in nowadays satellite communication, which is largely used the internet, through which at present our classes and every day to day activities is going on. So children, I hope you all must have understood the difference between personal and mass communication and the need of